Hey guys, this is Roy with Roy's Life Hacks and Builds. Another common issue with these paccar engines, these compressors go out. You can rebuild the heads by themselves and get away with it. Just that to get all this off, you have to remove a bunch of fuel lines and coolant lines before this will come out. And you have a total of 10 T10 Torx heads, bolts. This one right here in this corner, you have to use a wrench. I use the 5/16 wrench right here. Other than that, everything else is pretty easy to come off. And these lines that you take off are going to be very brittle. So be prepared. This one too, that one broke off in there, so I got to replace it. They're plastic, the coolant lines. If you guys are looking to rebuild the head on this compressor, this is the new kit. It comes with everything, all the internals, everything. This is the kit for the paccar engines.